Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put background data limits on specific mobile apps. See here, there are many apps. Now I'll tell you how you can put restricted background data for all apps. Before going any further, see here, right on my home screen, there is video wallpaper. Unlike static wallpaper, you can put this video wallpaper on any Android mobile. I did a video tutorial on that. Just check in the description. So in order to put restricted background data limits, click on the Android phone settings. And if you can see under network and internet, there will be data saver. If you turn on this will apply for all the, what is this? For all the apps. So background data usage won't be available. Say for example, for WhatsApp, you won't receive push notifications if you are on data saver. So for the individual apps, you need to click on apps, then click on see all apps and choose which the app you want to restrict background data usage or put background data limit. Say for example, in this video I want to put for this Tata Play and go to mobile data usage and disable this. When you disable this, there won't be any notifications until and unless you open this app. Remember, you can do this, but you need to remember that once you're active on the app only, you will get notifications or so and so. When you are using other apps or when you're watching videos or something like that, the app which you put the data background data off, you won't receive any notifications. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.